Hello and welcome to this screencast about Airtable Base. In this video, I will show you how we made a price calculator for an animation studio using Airtable. The calculator allows you to calculate how much you need to pay each animator for a video based on the type of animation, the cost per 30 seconds, and the duration. We have created an Airtable base consisting of 3 tables: a table for calculations, a table with the animators, and a table with discounts for duration. This base can be maintained separately or integrated into any other system. Let's take a look at the table with the list of animators. Each animator has its own price for 30 seconds for each kind of animation, and there are 7 kinds in total. Given that there are many animators, the table is quite large. The third table is a table with discounts for the duration of the animation. The longer the animation, the less each second of this animation costs. For the duration of less than 60 seconds, there is no discount, and then the discount gradually increases to 60. Another condition that had to be added is that when the animation is less than 30 seconds, the cost was equal to the cost of a 30-second clip. Let's see how this works by creating a new entry. First, we write the name, choose the animator, and select the service. And we see that we've been charged this particular animator's rate for this particular service. If we change the service, the rate will change. In the next step, we specify the duration of the animation, and now we have a discount that depends on this duration. To calculate the amount we have to pay the animator, we simply click a button and we immediately get the total amount that takes into account all the data from the other 2 tables. Such a process saves the team time and reduces the chance of errors to 0. You may have wondered why we made the script, as we could have just written a formula that takes all the data and calculates the payment amount for us. The formula in Airtable works on the whole column at once, and if you change any data, all the previous amounts for the works that have already been added before will change. We thought about it in advance and made a script that allows you to change data in other tables without fear that all previous entries will also change. For example, if we change the cost of this animator's work, all new calculations will use the new rate, and the old ones will remain unchanged. As you can see, after changing the rate from $75 to $105, the calculation for the previous project has not changed. But if we add a new project of this animator, the calculation will take into account the new rate. Let's leave the service and duration unchanged. As you can see, the calculator has now used our new rate in the calculation. This calculator can be added to any base, and it can also be expanded, such as by adding new fields with information on animators or a table with the amounts and dates of actual payment. That's all for today's video. If you want the same calculator, feel free to contact us.